Hello friends, welcome to my channel Analog Digital Academy, and today I am going to discuss about the voltage and current of these resistance. What will be the voltage across these resistance and current? In the earlier video, at the same circuit, I had calculated the 12 ohm resistance, equivalent resistance of this circuit. But now I will calculate the current and voltage. So if you want to see the calculation of resistance, equivalent resistance, you can see the earlier video of my playlist. So now, as you can see here, the voltage is 12 volt and equivalent resistance is 12 ohm. So by the Ohm's law, R equal to V upon I. So we have to calculate the current across this resistance. So R and we have known. So I will be 12 volt equal to 12 ohm equal to 1 ampere. Current will be 1 ampere will be exit from the battery, and same current will be enter in the battery. As you can see, the current in this circuit 1 ampere and this resistance in this series. So the current across this resistance will be 1 ampere, but here the resistance branches are in the parallel, so current will divide here. So we can assume here current will be here up to 1 ampere, but here will be divided. So we can assume these current I1 and I2. So we have to calculate the voltage on this junction, then we can calculate the current through these resistance. And as per parallel resistance rule, the voltage at the both branch will be same, because these are in the parallel, but current will be divided here, current will be separate. So here you can see here the current through this resistance is 1 ampere and the value of resistance is 6 ohm. So what will be the voltage across this resistance? Now we calculate voltage across 6 ohm resistance will be I into R. I is 1 ampere and R is 6 ohm equal to 6 volt. So here will be 6 volt across this resistance. Now we have known the voltage across this resistance, and we have also known the voltage at the one end of the resistance is 12 volt. So another end of the resistance we can calculate the voltage. So how we will calculate the voltage at this point? This voltage 12 volt minus voltage across the resistance will be equal to here. So here will be 12 volt minus 6 ohm resistance voltage, it will be 6, so equal to 6 volt. So here will be 6 volt. So now we have the known value of voltage at this point. So and here is the ground point, you can see here is the 0 volt. So voltage across this point and this point is 6 volt, and here is the ground. So what will be the current across this resistance? By the Ohm's law, what will be the value of I1? I1 will be, sorry, I2. I2 will be 6 volt divided by resistance equal to 0.5 ampere. Now there is a two way to calculate the current of this branch. Either you can minus the total current and this current. So we will get the this current, this branch current. And another way, here is the voltage 6 volt across this, and here is the 0 volt because this is the 0 volt. So voltage across this is 6 volt and resistance we also known. So you can assume here both resistance are in series. Sorry, this is the 8 ohm resistance. So 8 ohm resistance, this is 8 ohm resistance, this is 4 ohm resistance. So what will be the equivalent? Equivalent will be 8 ohm plus 4 ohm equivalent 12 ohm. So 12 ohm resistance is equivalent here. So you can calculate the I1. So I1 will be I1 equal to V upon R. VR is 6 volt and resistance is 12 volt. So current will be 5 ampere. Either you can calculate with the another way. When at the first equation we have got this value, and here is the current entering at this junction 1 ampere. So we have the value of one branch current. So we can calculate the another branch current by minus the current of one branch. So total current is plus I1 plus I2. So total current is 1 ampere, and we have the known value for I2. So this is 0.5 ampere. So I1 will be 0.5 ampere. You can calculate like this. It will be same answer, like same answer, this and this. There is a two way of calculating the answer. Now we will calculate the voltage across this. We already calculated the voltage across this resistance. So we have to calculate the voltage across this resistance. As we have calculated the voltage across this resistance, the same way will be apply here. So 12 ohm resistance and current flowing through this resistance is 0.5 ohm, 0.5 ampere. So voltage will be here, resistance into current will be 6 volt. So 6 is already here. You can calculate it. You don't need to calculate it this. And here you need to calculate. Here will be voltage will be divided. So here is the 6 volt. So voltage will be divided here, because in the series circuit the current will be same but voltage will be divided. So here the total current is flowing here is 0.5 ampere. So 0.5 ampere into 8 ohm resistance and 0.5 ampere into 4 ohm resistance. So we can calculate voltage across 8 ohm resistance equal to R into I. So 8 ohm into 0.5 ampere equal to 4 volt, and voltage across 4 ohm resistance 4 into 0.5 into 2 volt. So here is the 12. Here you can see the 4 volt and plus 2 volt is equivalent this voltage. So this voltage will be equivalent the junction voltage, this voltage. So you can calculate the voltage and current by applying this type of formula. When you will see the video again and again, then you will get this calculation very easily. So I hope you must have got this video. If you have any doubt, so please comment me your doubt and I will try to resolve your problem. And like my video, subscribe it and share in your friends. Thank you.